TikTok Shop Promotional Campaign Tracking. TikTok Shop Promotional Campaign Tracking is an essential feature that allows sellers to measure the success of their marketing and discount campaigns. It helps you track performance metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and total revenue generated from specific promotions. By analyzing this data, sellers can identify which campaigns attract the most engagement and sales, allowing them to optimize future marketing efforts for even better results. Through the TikTok Seller Center, sellers can view detailed reports that show how discounts, coupon codes, and limited-time offers impact buyer behavior. Tracking these campaigns helps you understand which promotions drive traffic, how customers respond to pricing changes, and which strategies yield the highest return on investment. This insight ensures every campaign you run is more targeted, efficient, and profitable. Many sellers enhance their TikTok Shop campaign tracking by using Helium 10. Helium 10 helps sellers monitor campaign performance with advanced analytics, including keyword tracking, conversion monitoring, and competitor comparisons. By combining TikTok's built-in data with Helium 10's detailed reporting, sellers can fine-tune their marketing, improve ad efficiency, and increase overall sales performance. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to track and optimize your TikTok Shop promotional campaigns, like a pro.